in this first step-by-step demo we're doing is a Halloween design, and everything that you need for this design will come in the kit. The first thing I'm going to do is just paint the nail white, a nice quick coat. And while that's drying, I'm going to go ahead and prepare my sponge. So what I'm doing is I'm going to create an ombre of a candy corn. So I'm taking my yellow polish, my orange polish in the middle, and then my white polish down at the bottom. And then I'm just going to take my sponge and I'm going to place it on the nail and very gently blot it going straight across. And what this is going to do is it's going to give me that candy corn effect in an ombre. So an ombre is a gradual fading from one color into the next. That way there, it gives you a nice even blend of your colors. We're going to let that dry a little bit, and then I'm going to do a second coat. I'm going to apply a little bit more polish to my sponge. Using all three colors once again, and then just taking it and blotting it back and forth. And we end up with that candy corn effect. Now to enhance this just a little bit more while it's still a little bit wet, I'm going to come in with a little bit of yellow glitter, and I'm just going to put that in. I'm going to come in with a little bit of white glitter and put that on the edge, and then a little bit of an orange glitter and put that through the middle, just to give it a little bit of bling. And we're going to let that dry. In order to do this cute Halloween design, we've used the following items. The first item I used was my heart-shaped press for my metallic charms. I formed the charms in advance, that way it curved them so that they would fit nice and tight to the nail. Next, I used the metal charms. These are coated with a coating that will be chemical resistant, so the black is not going to come off. You'll be able to use them over and over again. I also used a pair of pointed tweezers to be able to pick the pieces up, the charm pieces up, and place them onto the nail. I used a little brush to be able to pick up my glitters and place those, as well as I did a white base coat. Then I did my ombre with my yellow, my orange, and my white using a lint-free cosmetic sponge. Then while those were wet, I used the yellow glitter, the orange glitter, and the white glitter. Once those were dry, I secured them with a top coat. This design can be done either with traditional polishes, as I've done here, or it could also be done with a gel polish. Your metallic pieces can be secured either with gel, with resin, or with top coat.